Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Midnight Pie. Today, we'll learn how to use one of the most important Streamlit functions, st.button. So let's get started. Think about the websites and apps you use every day. When you click Login, Search, Submit, or Download, you're clicking a button. Buttons tell the application to perform an action. Without buttons, users can't interact with most applications. The good news is, creating buttons in Streamlit is very easy. Let's write our first button. Import Streamlit as st. st.button, click me. Now see a button that says click me. Try clicking it. You might notice nothing happens. Why? Because we haven't told the button what to do yet. A button only performs an action when we write some code for it. Now let's make our button useful. Import Streamlit as st. If streamlit.button, click me. Streamlit.write. Button clicked. Let's understand this. The word if checks a condition. When the button is clicked, the condition becomes true. So the code inside the if statement runs. Save the file and click the button. Now you'll see the message. Button clicked. Congratulations! Your first interactive button is working. Now, let's build a small, real-world project. First, ask the user to enter their name, and then create a button. When the user clicks the button, display a welcome message. Now, let's combine everything. Save the file, run the application, type your name, click Greet Me. You'll instantly see a personalized welcome message. You've just created another interactive Streamlit app. Today, we learned what a button is, how to create a button using st.button, how to detect when a button is clicked, how to display a success message, and how to build a simple greeting app. Now, your applications can respond when users click buttons. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we'll learn more useful input widgets like checkbox, radio button, and select box, and make our applications even more interactive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy coding!